What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you've already seen the thumbnail and the title to the video. This was a painful one for me, painful process. Yeah, it was tough to deal with, I thought. So, you know, to make it short and simple, you know, this is my daily driver. I want it to be how I want it, and I wanted to get that right, just perfect exhaust tone, and I thought I did enough research and knew what I wanted, but that wasn't the case. So check it out, and you guys will see exactly what I mean. And here it is. This is 409 stainless. This mid pipe here is the one that you have to trim to whichever length your vehicle is. Comes with band clamps, the dual in or a single in dual out muffler, and then the tips, which I am not going to be using because I'm trying to keep the all black theme. So there's the tips that I ordered. And the truck is lifted up off the ground, ready to go. Alright guys, there you have it. There is the old, it was actually super easy. Two 13mm bolts right there. You take out on the flange, and out comes your resonator, muffler. The only thing is I don't have it on the lift. If you have it on a lift, you can tilt it just enough to get the whole exhaust out in one piece, but I had to cut it just before the axle. So no big deal, you can still weld it together and use it. Somebody can. Alright, let's keep going. I just mocked it up so I know which pieces go where, so here we go. So I knew I was going to have to cut something. There is a length of truck that this kit is perfect for that you don't have to cut, but I think it's a 6.5 foot bed. So here's what I got going on. This is a mid-pipe extension that comes with it. I'm not going to be able to use it because I'm pretty sure that's for the 8-foot bed. So here's my, you know, main line after the cat that deletes the resonator that runs into the muffler. I gotta cut off just that little bit where that mark is, right here. I got the rear mocked up and everything's good to go, and that's what I was left with. So measure twice, cut once. See if I can get in here and show you guys what's going on. So here's the muffler mocked up, and then the two tailpipes over the axle. That's what I got so far, but they are up on their hangers. So I'll get this done, mock everything else up before I tighten it. Who doesn't love a Sawzall? Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Probably not, but this is going to be sketchy. Like a glove. Alright guys, I cut her off, filed her down, it is ready to put it on. Alright, I want to show you guys this, something else that did not work that came in the kit. But no big deal. So obviously the original bolt, the new bolt. So you see when you line up the heads here. Come on back. Okay. So you line up the heads here. The threads don't go down as far, so they don't tighten up on the flange. So no big deal. We're using the old bolts. So this is going on. I got almost everything done. Everything back till the tips is done and tight. So check it out. There's the flange up here. Resonator delete. Back to the muffler. 2.5s out. Sweet rims. And back here. There you go. One tailpipe. One tailpipe. Just waiting. I'm not gonna put the tips on today because we got a baseball game. But I gotta get clamps for them anyway. So I'm gonna fire it up here in a couple minutes. Alright guys. Alright, here we go. First start. Definitely hear a leak. Hey guys, so I know this is instant for you, but not for me. So let me give you an update on what has been happening for me. So whenever I post this video, the week before, Saturday, is when I did the install on the exhaust. I started it up like you saw. I had a leak. I had a leak at the flange. I had leaks everywhere. So what happens is, in this kit, they give you these quote unquote premium band clamps. Not a fan. Don't know if I'm using them correctly, but I put them on every which way I could and they leak. So I ran up to the auto parts store. I got the trusty U-bolts. Sunday I sealed up all the leaks. I put the U-bolts on and there were no leaks, and then readjusted the flange and started her up. And some people probably love the sound of it. I was not looking for this sound whatsoever. I was looking for like a Mustang GT sound, and that's what all the reviews said this was, and it's not. So long story short, it's Monday now. I am on my way to a local muffler shop where I'm gonna have them install the stock resonator back on this before the aftermarket muffler, and I'm hoping that takes that drone, that horrific headache, annoying sound that most people hate, out of it and tolerable. So we'll see. So here, got the stock exhaust loaded up, ready to go. There's the resonator, and then before I'll cold start it here for you guys. I got tips on each side. Here you go. Alright guys, so this is what I decided to do. This is a Flowmaster Delta Flow 40 series, and I'm going to put the stock exhaust back on with this muffler in place because I just can't take the noise. So let's see how it does after this. There you have it, my painful process through this mod that was a mistake from the beginning, but Main thing is it's done now. I love the sound. It's not a dual exit, which I know I can get sometime, whatever. But I've had it up to here now, so this is the way it's going to be for a while. If you guys like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more and be up to speed every week, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and I will see you guys later. So we want to get a clip of the exhaust. Okay? And this camera we're going to mount right here, and that's how we're going to do it. Brenda?
Yeah, but how do you zoom in?
You don't.